Hello everyone, my name is Dustin Williams, and today I'll be sharing my how-to website on how to set up and give effective mobile presentations. First, a little background on me. I have an associate's degree in business management technology from Mississippi Gulf Coast Community College. I have previously volunteered as a student as an unpaid internship for the Stone County School District, and then I worked a paid position for one summer and was a temporary technician. During my time at the school district, I did many things revolving technology, including helping set up for meetings and conferences and presentations in the gym, auditorium, and library. I currently am away from the technology sector as a assistant manager for Chick-fil-A Gulfport and a grand opening trainer for Chick-fil-A Corporate. I enjoyed my time at technology, but thought it was time for a change. However, I still use technology at my current employer, and I have given many tech advice for that. I also am active in my church, where I run the projectors, slides, and music, and I'm also in charge of implementing any new technologies. So today we're going to go ahead and go into our readable lesson. Overview, we have how to prepare and give effective mobile presentations. Our first module will discuss what items do we need to give effective presentations. Module 2 is what we need to do before arriving to the venue. Module 3 will be setting up, and Module 4 will be extra tips. So go ahead and go to Module 1. What items do we need? We need a laptop. In my case, I use a 13-inch MacBook Pro from 2018. You also want to bring a laptop charger, a projector. I prefer an Epson or ViewSonic. You want to bring a mobile projector screen in case your venue does not have a projector screen or blank wall for you to use. Bring a speaker with microphone. This is important so that your audience will be able to hear you and actually receive the information you're giving. I also bring a power strip and surge protector. That way, you never know how many plugs there are going to be. You'll always have enough for your speakers, your laptop, and your projector. I want to bring a power extension cable because you do not know how far the power outlet will be from where the projector needs to be. We need an HDMI cable to connect our laptop to the projector, and because my laptop has only USB-C, I need a USB-C to HDMI adapter. So on to our next module. What do we need to do before we leave? We need to create the presentation. I would create the presentation using an offline presentation software. Recommended is Apple's Keynote or Microsoft's PowerPoint. It is better to use these than Google Slides or Prezi because the presentation is saved to the computer and will not require an internet connection. If you are going to be traveling to a rural area for a conference or be in an unknown school or building, it is best to have an offline presentation so you do not need to connect to their Wi-Fi or hotspot. However, if you're going to be in a known place, and such as your work office, then it is okay to use these internet-based programs. You want to use images that are clear and relevant to the presentation. You want to use bulleted items instead of paragraphs or sentences, and you want to keep these items short and go into more detail verbally. You want to use charts and graphs. Make sure they're not too information rich or it'll be hard for viewers to see. Best rule of thumb is no more than 4 rows and 3 columns of information. You also want to make sure your presentation is saved on your computer, that you have a backup copy on an external hard drive, or saved to a cloud services. On to our next module is setting up. Step 1 is to plug in the power extension cable and plug the power strip surge protector into the power cord. The next step is to plug in the projector's cord, power cord, to the projector first and then into the power strip. Plug in the laptop charging cable into the power strip and surge protector if needed. It is always recommended to plug in the laptop just in case so you do not lose your presentation in the middle of presenting. After the projector is plugged in and the ready light is indicated, which is usually a green blinking or solid light on the top of the projector, we will set up the projector screen and find the correct distance from the projector screen, moving the projector closer or further away until the projected image fits within the screen size and the image is not blurry. Step 4 is to power on the laptop and open the presentation. Make sure Auto Present is turned off so the presentation does not start. Also, make sure your desktop background is appropriate for your audience just in case it happens to go to your desktop background. Step 5, now plug in the USB-C to HDMI adapter to the laptop and then the HDMI cable. Once this is done, plug the HDMI cable into the projector. It is important to do it in this order to make sure the laptop detects the connection. Step 6, plug in and power on the speaker and perform a microphone test. This test is done to make sure there is no loud squealing, to make sure the volume is high enough that you can be heard in the back of the room. If your presentation contains music, sounds, or videos, connect your laptop to a speaker for better volume. Step 7, present and start the presentation when it is time to do so. Our next module is going to be additional tips. Make sure your laptop is charged just in case. Make sure your devices have batteries at work. Bring extra batteries for things such as the projector remote or wireless mic. It is also an option to bring a wireless clicker so that you can move the presentation along without being near your computer. You also want to bring extra projector bulbs in case the projector bulb goes out, and you want to check your projector's hours before you bring it to the venue. Also, that talks more about the clicker. You can also use your phone to control many PowerPoints, so you could look at that option. But make sure you download these apps and have it all connected before you arrive at the venue in case you have any issues. Our next one is just a presentation video right here. We're not going to watch that through because you can click on there and watch it if you'd like. And then I have a links tab that shows you all my product recommendations. And if you click on it, it'll bring you to an Amazon link or to the product's website. Thank you for watching and have a great day.